folks. I just want to take a few minutes to share a discovery that I had made with you guys. There's a lot of talk on dust, and I'll just tell you, I've got COPD. I don't think it's got anything to do with 30 years of woodworking, but it's made me a little more sensitive to the air I breathe, and so I had to do something. And if you're like me, you've gone from not wearing anything to maybe wearing something like this. Or maybe wearing something like this. I went a little crazy and got this Darth Vader looking sounding mask. All of these were helpful. They all had different applications. But what I realized is just because you can't see the dust in the air doesn't mean it isn't there. There is fine enough dust, even after you haven't been sanding or anything else, there's fine enough sand in there to get in your lungs, to get in your nose, to be a problem for you. So I still recommend a mask, but I found this gem. Let me show it to you real quick. This is the WEN Air filtration system. It's just a small box. It hangs from the center of my garage, and I've only got about a 400 square foot garage. But I love this thing. It's pretty quiet. It's running right now. You have the ability to have a high, medium, low, as well as set the timer for 1 hour, 2 hour, or 4 hours. I love this thing. And let me show you why. I haven't had this too long, and the filters have already gone from the white color on the side to that yellow color in just a matter of a few days. It is 3-speed remote controlled, as the side of the box says. It comes with a remote, works great. You can set the timer and the on-off. So here's kind of the size of my shop. Again, it's about 400 square feet. I do a lot of sanding, a lot of sawdust, gets kicked up. So I just want to share this with you. It works great. It's amazing to me how quickly the air cleans out. It makes a remarkable difference in the purity of the air. And again, I'm pretty sensitive to that kind of thing, so I want this air clean when I'm working. You know, the other option for me was just not to do this anymore, which really isn't an option at all. So I appreciate your time, and we'll have a link to this unit. I think it ran about 150 bucks, 175 bucks. Well worth it. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below.